Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Mr.
Ranjeet Singh,
Author of.
The Echoes of Silence.
Sir, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
It's an interesting experience, I can say, and I'm overwhelmed with the whole atmosphere over here.
Right.
This being my first visit to this place, it's
Right.
really enchanting for me.
First visit here is as an author, which is not something many people get to experience, right?
Yeah, that's right. As an author, and I have till now I have written 5 books,
Right.
and with Notion Press, 4 books I have written.
Wow.
This is the latest one, which is in the bookshelf right now.
Right. Can you tell us a little bit more about your book?
So, Echoes of Silence is a very simple and how to do kind of book.
Okay.
In today's world, when people are talking to each other, but actually they are not listening.
Right.
They are talking or listening, asking, hearing the question to respond. But when you look at listening process, it has to be listening the silence also, not
Right.
just the words.
Right.
That is what the book is all about.
Like 2 tips out of your book to our viewers, what would
Yeah.
that be for them to become better listeners?
Okay. First of all, just keep away all kind of distraction whenever you're listening. Even a simple mobile and having a message on the mobile distracts you. So just keep that thing away from that and be in that space at that point of time. That is going to help you listen properly.
We also have a lot of writers in our community. So what is one piece of advice you'd want to give them?
So whatever is there in your heart, start writing. Don't think about the structure and anything else. Just start writing. Start questioning, start writing. The system or the flow of the book will come automatically. It is a free flow of information which can make the book happen.
So just do it and everything else will fall into place.
Yes,
Wow.
definitely.
Thank you so much for sharing that with us.
Thank you.
Wonderful seeing you here. Congratulations on your new book and I hope you have a wonderful book fair.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.